Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Roblox game to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, just open up a web page and then go to Google, and in the Google search bar, just type in Roblox Windows 11 download. Then you'll come to the Google results here, and then the first one will say download Roblox. So go ahead and click on download Roblox. Now it's going to redirect you to this page, this official website of Roblox. So it says here, Roblox, explore millions of worlds and experiences. So go ahead and click on download Windows app. And then it's got some install instructions here. So you can see it's download in the background here. So it will say click robloxplayer.exe to run the Roblox installer, which just downloaded via your web browser. As you can see, it's in the top right hand corner. Click run when prompted by your computer to begin the installation process. Click OK once you've successfully installed Roblox. So go ahead and click on robloxplayerinstaller.exe. If that doesn't appear, just go to your download section of your PC and you'll find it there. So as you can see, this is installing Roblox to my PC. So I'm just going to let it run its course, pause this video and get back to you for the next step. Alright, so it's up this next step here. It says starting Roblox. So once it installs, it's going to pop up like this, and it will create a desktop shortcut as well. This is those two here. You got Roblox Studio and Roblox Player. So go ahead and open up Roblox. Now from here, you can either create an account or sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I've already got an account. So now I'm going to put in my username and password, and that's going to sign me into the Roblox game.